activity yesterday. Let's enter into day 8 and try to complete the problem statement which is asked in an interview. If your profile is automation testing or you have been working as automation test engineer, you just need to know how the way they are asking programming questions in core Java and how you are trying to find out the solution of all these problems. So I have just started this series. I believe you may get the advantage of this series and you may share this series with all your friends, your colleagues, and also you are sharing this link with manual testers if they are in your contact. So let's get started, team. In day 8 we are just trying to find out number of occurrences of a character from a string. We consider them as a frequency of character from a string. What might be our approach? We will try to create a method. In this method we'll try to pass two basic parameters. One would be string, second one would be a character, and extra or additional variable we'll try to create, that will be like occurrence, which will be in the form of integer, and we'll try to traverse right from starting point to the end. If the character is starting from initial value of the string from the beginning to end, we are just trying to add it as a character. If the character is repeated, it will be incremented as occurrences, and then after we'll try to print out in the console. So it is a common thing that we need to apply here. It is frequently asked in an interview, so I believe that you will not take this for granted. Now let's talk about the time complexity of this method. The time complexity of this method would be big of n, because n number of inputs we are trying to add here. So we can consider here big of n, and now they have given here input and output. We just try to apply the logic and then try to get the same result as they have given here. So without further delay, I would like to navigate to my Eclipse window and just try to do it practically, so you may easily get the idea how we are trying to solve this problem. I have opened here Eclipse window, and you may observe that we have been working with project 2025. Inside we are just going to create a new class. I'm giving the name of a class as day5. Sorry, day5 not, we have completed day 5, so let me give here day 8, right? I'm trying to give here main method, and let's try to create a user defined method as we have discussed earlier. As we are trying to follow this approach here, static void, I can give the name here as character occurrences. Simply I can give like this, and here we are trying to pass two parameters. First parameters, as already I have mentioned, string value, you may give any name here, and second one would be character C, or you may give any particular character here. Now we are trying to initialize a variable. You may give the name of a variable as frequency, or you can give here occurrence. It's totally based on you, but as we are trying to find out frequency of a character from a given string, so we can give here frequency. Let me give integer frequency equals, by default I have initialized by 0 only. I didn't mention here comment, but you can consider that I have initialized and declare a variable with a specific value. Now we are trying to traverse here for integer I equals 0, I less than, we have already specified value dot length. I just try to pick correct a method name here, dot length, and I'm giving here I plus plus, and inside we are just trying to give a condition if C equal to value dot character at of I. It would be just incrementing the value of the frequency. So I'm just trying to give here pre-increment operation. I can say frequency here. All right, Now there is no any such thing we need to add. Once we have completed this, we are just trying to print out the result what actually they have given. Frequency of character O is 2, right? So we have not assigned any value to a string variable, but we'll give after a while, and we'll try to check the result here. But before that, I'll just try to write here frequency of character as a printing statement. I have to give here frequency of character. Right, let me try to mention here name. Actually it will be fine if I'm giving here not giving hard coded. I just give here C, and then I can say equals, and we can say plus frequency. All right, so now we have completed our method, and now it's time to call it in main method and just try to get the idea that is it showing the same result as we have given the logic in the method, right? If it is not showing and it is giving us wrong execution or wrong output, we'll try to apply the different logic here. Okay, but as the complexity and the approach we have set, so there is a possibility that it will be giving us the same response. So let me try to set the value here. I need to initialize string. What is the string they have given here? They have set result automation, right? So let's try to give a result equals automation. All right, and now it's time to call this method. Here we have set result, and here I can give what actually they have given here. They have given here character O, so I'm just trying to search here character O only. All right, and let's try to save our code and check this out whether we are getting the same result in the console or not. And you can see here team, we are getting the character O is equals to, I think the result they have given is correct only, but we have not put the space here. Instead of this equal, I am giving here is, right? And we have given more space in between. Let me save this and let's run and check again. All right, so now you can see here still I can give more space. It's not getting more space, so let's try to add it over here, and now we are getting the same result. So the frequency of character O is 2, and you can add here any character, but make sure this character is available in the given string. On the basis of it, you may find out more occurrences of that particular character available in the string. I hope session was interactive and you have got the solution of this problem. It is already asked in interview, so I believe you need more practice and try to handle this kinds of problem statement by your own self. This series will help you, so kindly share with your friends, your colleagues, and your counterparts so they may get the advantage of it. Thank you team, and have a great day.